Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can assign a ringtone to contact on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s. To do this, you have to open the phone dialer at the first and then move to the contacts. Right now pick one of it, then click on the three dots in the right upper corner and select Set Ringtone. Then select Sounds, and you can also mark it to open always as the sound. As you can see, currently it's set up to the default ringtone, but we can switch, for example, for the maybe lollipop. If you want to confirm, just click OK. You are also set your own ringtone. So let me show you how we can do this. You have to scroll down at the bottom, then tap to add ringtone, and right now you will be moved to your file manager, where you can locate all of your custom sound, and you can just pick any of the sound that you have right here and it will be set up to your contact. Then click OK. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.